I'm a first-year CMB student in CERN Bridges program. So, help! I've fallen and I can't get up. I'm sure many of you are familiar with this line from Life Alert, the medical alert device used especially by the elderly for emergency medical attention. Unfortunately, falls like this could result in bone fracture. According to NIH, approximately 1.5 million Americans suffer bone fracture because of bone disease such as osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a degenerative bone disease which causes loss of bone mass, increasing the likelihood of bone fracture. And this is an example up here with regular bone mass compared to less bone mass because of osteoporosis. But bone fracture is not limited to those with bone disease. Apparently, 5.3 million more Americans will suffer bone fracture for other reasons aside from osteoporosis. These are my bones, my leg bones, my femur and tibia, after being rebuilt with titanium implants. Statistically speaking, if you live in a developed country, chances are you'll fracture 2 bones over the span of your lifetime. I'm 25 and I've already exceeded this statistic. Thanks to contemporary orthopedic understanding, doctors are able to rebuild bones like mine, allowing them to physiologically heal themselves over time. But is there something that we could do to maybe speed up this process or avoid the fracture in the first place? According to researchers at Tel Aviv University and Hebrew University Jerusalem, there is pot, or more specifically, cannabidiol, known as CBD. Research shows that cannabinoid receptors actually stimulate bone formation and reduce bone loss. But it doesn't end there. Research also showed that the healing structure of fractured bones, known as calluses, works more efficiently in the broken femurs of lab mice treated with CBD. And finally, mice that received CBD expressed lysyl hydroxylase more. This is a bone healing enzyme within osteoblasts, the bone healing cells. This is truly astounding that cannabis can do a lot more than just entertain people who listen to Bob Marley. So what's next? I think it's critically important for us to bring this research on cannabinoids to our American laboratories. It will open the door for regenerative medicine. We can help rebuild and strengthen people's bones just by understanding chemicals from this plant that we just consider a weed. Thank you.